ABC Educational Channel. The capital letter. The capital letter is also called a big letter or uppercase letter, or sometimes just a capital. These are the capital letters. When do you use a capital letter? Use a capital letter for the first letter in a sentence. For example, the dog is barking. Come here. She is beautiful. Always use a capital letter for the word I. I am 8 years old. Tom and I are good friends. Use a capital letter for the names of people. Joey, Alice, Kim, Tom, Snow White. Use a capital letter for the names of places. America, Philippines, National Museum, Thailand, London, Oxford Street. Use a capital letter for festivals, holidays, days of the week, months of the year. For example, festival, Songkran Festival,
Dinajiang Festival,
Oban Festival,
Diwali Festival.
holidays, New Year's Day,
Christmas,
Labor Day,
Mother's Day,
days of the week, Sunday,
Monday,
Wednesday,
Friday.
months of the year, January,
March,
August,
September.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.